Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Jorge Contreras, the founder of Que Rico Dance Company, and I'm so excited to be teaching you the basics and the foundations of bachata. I got into bachata in 2007, and when I got into it, bachata was not popular at all in Los Angeles. And my partner and I actually started the very first Bachata Dance Company back in 2008. From there on out, I ended up creating Que Rico Dance Company in 2011. At one point, I had 8 teams within my dance company with multiple instructors. Over the years, I have traveled to over 25 different countries teaching bachata, where I've been specifically hired to come teach, perform, choreograph, and teach all the way from beginners all the way to training other instructors around the world, like in France, Italy, Indonesia, Thailand, and so many other countries. My partner and I are the pioneers of bachata in Los Angeles. I am also the co-founder of the LA Bachata Festival in 2010 and the LA Summer Bachata Festival in 2014. Every 6 months, we have over 3,000 attendees from all over the world that come to learn. If you research on YouTube, Jorge Contreras Bachata, I have over 8 million views combined on my hundreds of videos. I have also created over 5 DVDs and have sold tens of thousands of DVDs over the last 10 years. And the best thing is that as soon as you purchase it, you can instantly download it and start learning from the comfort of your home. Upon completing my footwork course, you will know how to do over 20 different footwork combinations. So who is this course for? Whether you are a beginner bachata dancer, meaning you have zero or no experience at all, this is going to be perfect for you because I take you from A to Z. If you are someone who has a little bit of experience and you want to take your bachata dancing to the next level, why not learn from one of the pioneers in Los Angeles that has traveled to over 25 different countries, started the first Bachata Dance Company with my partner, the first Bachata Festivals. I started the very first Bachata Night Club in the United States almost 9 years ago. So you want to learn from someone that has pioneered and has all the experience, because ultimately you are going to be a product of who you learn from. I also want to remind you that I have a Q&A where you can ask me any questions about the course and I will be there to answer any and all of your questions. I encourage you guys to sign up for my course and start learning today.